In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly resolve this issue of Smart App Control has blocked this app in Windows 11 or Windows 10. First of all, just head over to the Start menu and right here Settings, hit Enter. And on the left hand side, we will click on the Privacy and Security, and then we will select Windows Security. From here, we will click on App and Browse Control in the Windows Security. And then we will click on Smart App Control Settings. And you will see these three options here, that is on, evaluation and off. All you have to do is just turn this option to the off position. Click yes. And you might see a little window with a prompt. So don't worry about that. Continue with that. And after that, just close out of here and you should be able to install the program without any issue. And once you feel that the program is successfully installed without any issue, I always recommend you to turn on the Smart App Control in order to protect your PC, because that is a protection feature. And you can find just by writing how to turn on the Smart App Control on my channel just by writing the title. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.